brother. Let's get it, brother. You should start recording, brother. What's good, brother? It's the red one. It's the red one right here. What's good, brother? How are we doing, brother? So slow. What's good, brother?
Look at that view, Buster. Look at that view.
Someone took bite marks out of that. Bro. There. Bro. No, I'm turning that off. Find out at Friday. Find out at Friday. Find out at Friday. Bro, you're zesty for that woman. Stop it.
We jump down and fire down.
No, gang, we don't not. Dang, you were in the 90s? That's crazy. Bro, what? Okay. Yeah, what? Bro, why are you hitting me? I don't like this guy. Oh my God, this kid. Dark orange.
Oh! Please never make me record again!
Oh, sideways. My head. Oh wow. Ow. Thing is, they have one of the kids had the audacity to like be like, nah, I'm just gonna go belly first on the seat whole part. And it was like, he was like Superman posing and touching the side of the slide. I was laughing my off on that.
To be honest with you, I've never said that many cuss words in my life going down that.
I wasn't even cussing that much. I just said ball.
I cuss so much because I'm not used to going at 100 miles per hour behind me.
Dang, that's crazy.
Personally, that was absolutely.
I did it again with those dudes. At the end part, we were like, no hands when it was turning, curving at the last part, and we were like screaming in horror. First time I went on the Howlin Tornado at day, I was scared, shivering last year, and apparently I went with the mother and her kid. There's the three of us. We go down, it drops. I'm like, oh Jesus! And I'm like, yeah! I had the GoPro mounted up on the wrong way, and what happened is like it hit, and then we were spinning around. We were like spinning around for so long. Like,
What's that GoPro? How do you jump one of those slides?
oh yeah, definitely. I was on the blue one, and I went so long.
Here we go.
Into the big tube. Oh! I went sideways. Oh, here we go. Oh, it just splashed me in the face. Oh! Oh my God! Woo! Yo! Jesus! Woo! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Oh my God, that's aggressive! Oh, here we go, slowing down. And finish. Ugh. Ooey. Dang.
Oh well. Jesus. Oh, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! That bump. Yep. Yippee! Whee! Woohoo! Whoa! We're going sideways. Ah! Whoa.
Finn, push your power button. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Okay. Oh! Ah! Yeah! Oh my God! Oh my God! Hello, guys! Ah! Yeah! Oh my God! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Ah! Whoa! What's happening in your guys? You got dropped! Whoa! Whoa! Alrighty. Oh, Jesus. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Y'all should take a look at this on the. Oh! Come on. Kinda. Come on! Help! There we go! There we go! Here we go! Oh! this time! Oh my god, that's so high! Oh my god! We went so high! Woo! Oh! Hey, I got the raft, I can get it. You guys just let it down, I'll get it.